The error code 35 on a Miele washing machine indicates a problem with the water level sensor, which can cause the door to jam or lock. This issue can be caused by a faulty water level sensor or a door jam. To fix the problem, troubleshooting the faulty water level sensor is the first step. This involves switching off the heater, removing it from the power supply, and letting the machine settle for a while before reconnecting it to the power source and switching on the heater. Running a short cycle may also resolve the issue if the door doesn't unlock. However, if the error code persists, it's recommended to have a technician check the problem and possibly replace the water level sensor, as attempting to fix it yourself can damage the heater. Alternatively, the door can be unlocked by accessing the port at the bottom of the heater, using a flat tool from the soap dispenser to tilt the circular port and release the door, then pulling the orange string to unlock it.